Today we're going to show you how to remove the suckers from your tomato plants to help them grow faster and produce better fruit. Here you can see the suckers growing between the main stem and the branches. We're going to remove all of them. Later, I'll also share a tip about removing leaves to prevent plant diseases. Stick around, you won't want to miss it. As you can see, we're removing everything that grows in the space between the leaf and the main stem. These are called suckers or side shoots, the name varies by region. It's better to remove them while the plants are still small. Right now, these tomato plants are about 2 hand spans tall. We're already removing them regularly. Now I'll show you one plant that, unfortunately, didn't survive. We don't know if it was due to a worm, we didn't open it up to check. Maybe it was a worm that came and went, or maybe another animal bit into it. Whatever it was, the plant's gone. This year we've lost around 4 tomato plants. Luckily, we had some backup seedlings ready to replant. So for now, it's all under control. Backhand index pointing right. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that now, and let's continue with the video. Let's keep looking at all the suckers and also start removing lower leaves early to prevent disease. Here's another example. This leaf is buried too deep in the soil, too close to the bottom. So we're going to remove this leaf completely, along with the sucker. To prevent disease from soil moisture or other causes. So we remove this one as well. And leave the stem nice and clean so it can grow stronger. Try to keep dirt out of the cut so it can heal properly. This one is also touching the ground, we'll remove it too. Be careful not to break the main stem, very important. Here's another sucker to remove. Even on these small plants, they already have large suckers. It's important to remove them so the plants grow tall and strong. Here's another one. As you can see, it's a very simple process but super important. Especially the leaves that touch the ground. Check carefully and remove them. Eventually, you'll end up removing quite a few lower leaves anyway. So it's better to do it early than too late and risk the plant getting sick. And as you can see, it's a very simple process. But it does a lot for the health of the plant. It might not seem like it, but it really makes a difference. Thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe. A lot of people watch but don't subscribe, so now's the time to do it. And very soon, we'll upload a pepper pruning video. Which also really helps the plant grow better.